You know you're getting older when standing up starts sounding like a microwave popcorn bag. And somehow you even developed a favorite knee. Aging gets us all. But this week, something extraordinary happened. A company called Life Biosciences announced that the first human patient had received an experimental treatment designed to make old cells behave more like young ones. Not by replacing them, not by editing their DNA, but by trying to restore some of the cellular instructions that fade with age. Now, for the first time, that idea has moved from laboratory animals to a human clinical trial. Now, to understand why scientists are excited, we need to rewind 20 years. In 2006, Japanese researcher Shinya Yamanaka discovered that 4 specific genes could transform an adult cell back into a stem cell. A discovery so important it earned him a Nobel Prize. The problem? Push cells too far and they lose their identity completely, which is really not a feature you want your organs experimenting with. So researchers started asking a different question. What if you only turned back the clock a little bit? Just enough to help worn-out cells function more like they did when they were younger. The idea became known as partial cellular reprogramming, and it's exactly what Life Biosciences is attempting. Their first trial is targeting glaucoma, a disease that damages the optic nerve and can lead to blindness. The hope is that rejuvenated retinal cells might function better and survive longer. Now, let's be clear. One patient does not mean this works. It doesn't mean aging has been solved, and it definitely doesn't mean you'll be celebrating your 150th birthday. But it does mark an important milestone. For decades, medicine has mostly treated the consequences of aging. Now researchers are beginning to ask whether aging itself can be targeted. And for the first time, that question has been tested in a human being. Whether this becomes one of the biggest medical breakthroughs of our lifetime, or another promising idea that falls short, nobody knows yet. But the age reversal story has officially left the lab and entered the clinic, and that is worth paying attention to.